YouTube sent out the notification for this. So, you guys should know that I'm live, which is a good thing. So let's pull up live chat here. Hello, Alex. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Okay. Bear with me one sec, guys. Let me pull up on YouTube here the live chat so that I can see it better and they're not just going quickly and stuff. Oh, by the way, guys, look at the merch. Just got this today. Actually, I ordered it on Monday and it's already here. They printed it and everything in 3 days, which was crazy. So if you guys want to pick up some of this merch, the link is in the description. I've also got 2 hoodies coming, which should be arriving next few days. So I may do like a full BenObi merch review on my main channel because I've run out of ideas on that channel. So yeah. So I actually want to answer a question that a lot of you guys have asked me to start off. A lot of you guys have asked me for a Fortnite jailbreak detection bypass or whatever. I'm still looking for that. Apparently there are a few, but they look dodgy. Like one of them, you need to go into your file system and delete a load of files, which I think will actually corrupt your jailbreak. So we're not going to do that. There was also a deb file that was uploaded for a jailbreak bypass. There's all of these other tutorials that say, oh, you can fix the Fortnite jailbreak thing just by installing Liberty Light, but it doesn't work. So don't even try Liberty Light. I have tried it. I've also tried Substitute, No Substitute. I tried that today. Still doesn't work. It actually does load. Like the loading screen is there and it loads, and then there's just a blue screen for the rest of the, like, until your phone dies, I guess. So yeah, also talking about phones, something very, very bad has happened. In fact, I've got the photo on my iPhone 5C here. If you guys saw on Twitter the other day, well, yesterday, where's my photos here? There we go. I'll show you the photo because I can't show you guys the actual phone, but if you can, as you can see there, that's my iPhone X's camera. The lens is cracked. It literally, I have no clue how that happened. I went golfing yesterday, and then I also went to a church activity, came back, and then I was playing on my phone, turned it around, and I noticed that there was a crack in the lens. And I didn't notice it. I don't think it was there. It probably just happened. My phone was overheating a lot yesterday, which is not a good thing. I'm following 4,900 people. How do I unfollow them all at once? Is there any way? I think there is. Can we purchase on Cydia now? Yes, you can actually. I think I've heard it. If not, you can just download a tweak that I featured in a video before. I think my Wi-Fi is delayed or something. Are you guys seeing me okay? Like, is there any lag or anything like that? Also, there's 6 of you now. You're all shy. You're not saying anything. Let's see how many... Let's see if we can get any super chats. Yes, no lag. Okay, good. Yeah, because my Wi-Fi's been playing up all day. Literally, I've tried to fix an iPhone 5C today, and I changed the charging port, I changed the battery, I changed the, what else did I change? The display, and it gives me this error 50 that I've been trying to sort out. I've tried 10 different methods, and nothing works. So if you guys have ever, like, you restored an iPhone that was in boot, that was stuck in recovery mode, and like you see, what was I saying? And like you see an error 50 on iTunes and you managed to fix it, please let me know, because I've tried. Some people have tried blowing a hairdryer on it and having it become super, super hot to the touch. Also, the pixels on the display turned off, which was interesting. They did turn back on, which is good. Make sure to like and subscribe. Yes, but not just that. Buy the merch. Link in bio. Do that as well. And also donate on Super Chat. Let's see how many Super Chats we can get on this stream. I think the biggest Super Chat we got was from Alex. $10 or something. One Xmod games working for iOS 10. Yeah, I haven't heard anything about that. There may be an update coming soon. I'm not sure. Yeah. Actually, I have a question, guys. Do any of you use Tweetbot? Because I bought it on my Mac for $5, and I wanted to download it on my phone, and I thought I could get it for free on my phone as like an iCloud purchase type thing. But my phone just doesn't show updates anymore. Well, no, not updates. Purchase. I go into the purchase and it says, oh, there are no purchases for this person. Oh, Alex, super chat. First super chat of the day. Awesome. Will Sarek do something or is he just sleeping? He's probably just sleeping, to be honest. Like, he's been saying that he's been working on a jailbreak. It's almost ready. Like, in November, or December, or whatever. He said, oh, the substitute... No, not substitute. That's what the cool summer made. What's it called? Whatever. Substrate. There you go. Cydia Substrate is almost updated. And then we're in March. We're on the 21st of March. We're almost in April now. And we've not even heard a word from him. That he's just been, like, ranting on Reddit and being like, oh, I'm probably not going to do jailbreaking anymore after this because, you know, I've been getting a lot of hate and people making diss tracks on me and stuff. Like, I've heard of people who wanting to do a diss track on me. I don't care. Still got the thing on my forehead. It's weird. Okay. Let's see if anybody can beat Alex's super chat high score of $10. Only donate if you can, though. So yeah, if you guys want to buy the merch, in the description, it's under the email thing. A lot of people don't even read my description, so I honestly, like, some people just ask me a question that I answer in the description. I don't get it. Chat's a bit quiet, even though there's 7 of you right now, and there was 11 a second ago. Let me quickly check here. Somebody did comment before asking me for like a business inquiry or something. If you guys are a developer of a tweak and you want to give me a tweak for free to feature on the channel, you can do that in the description below. I've got my email and everything. And you can also contact me on Twitter if you want. And it's probably easier than contacting me via email. All of you guys who have issues also did that. 50 million users compromised on Facebook. Wow. Okay. Quickly check the comment section here, guys, while you come up with some questions to ask. Do you have any issues with the Electra jailbreak or any other jailbreak for that matter? Message me on Snapchat. I sent you some. Oh, okay. Someone sent me something on Snapchat. Okay. Is there a way to fix my location widget? I've already replied to that. How do you evaluate Electra jailbreak? What do you mean evaluate? Like, how would I rate it out of 10? Like, what do you want me to evaluate on, kind of? How do I lock my apps on iOS 11 tweak? BioProtect. Made a full video on that as well. Yes, okay. Out of 10, I'd rate the Electra jailbreak an 8. Because it's great. It works perfectly. Well, not perfectly. It still has its flaws. Like, sometimes it freezes, and Coolstar said, like, oh, no, it's not my fault. It's Maps' fault. Delete that, re-download it, and then you should have it fixed. Nothing happens. BioProtect not working. What do you mean? What's wrong with BioProtect right now? You do know you have to purchase a license within PayPal. Well, not PayPal, within the settings, and then you go on PayPal and you donate $3 or something, and you get access to it. Sometimes when on YouTube, the phone freezes and I got to force reboot. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's happened to some people. It's not happening to me. I think it's because I don't really watch that much YouTube on my phone for like a long period of time. I usually watch it on my computer if I watch a long video, because it's a bigger display and everything. I don't think it's better. It's a better display. I think that was a better resolution, the iPhone X. But anyway, I think it's a problem with Electra itself. Try installing a tweak called Circube or something like that, because those sometimes fix it. Or YouTube tools. I have to turn off Wi-Fi and it work, then stop. What do you mean? You turn it on airplane mode, because there is a workaround. You can turn it on airplane mode, go into the settings, and then activate it. But for me, it stopped working. I tried that. It stopped working, and also I wanted to buy it anyway. So, yeah, airplane mode. Well, I would buy it, because then you don't get those issues. So, just buy it. $3. It's not that much. It's worth it. What, did you buy it? Did you buy it and it stopped working completely? Is there a tweak like Activator? Not yet. I think Activator's being worked on. So, wait, Joseph, so you didn't buy it. If you didn't buy it, you have to buy it, or... because I think sometime after a while that you use that airplane mode workaround thing, I think you get blocked until you buy it. I don't know. I wonder how he even just, like, lets that pass through. Do you think the dev is working on Color Flow 3 for Electra? I don't know. Maybe Color Flow 4 will come out and he'll release that. I don't know. But I'm not sure. I'll have to try to contact him. Okay, I'll buy it right now. Okay. No problem. So guys, what other questions do you have? I'm probably going to go to the Apple Store tomorrow, and I'm so nervous because I need to get my phone fixed, my iPhone 10, because the camera lens is cracked, as I told you guys before. And I don't want them to update, because if they update my phone, then this channel is pretty much dead until I buy another phone on iOS 11. So, which is something I'm already planning on getting. So I'm saving up right now to get an iPhone 6 or 6S or even a 7 Plus. I would like, the ideal one would be a 7 Plus or an 8 Plus for a decent price. On iOS 11 or iOS 11.1.2, in something in the between. Because if I do get one of those, then I can also show more tweaks than I would be able to on older devices. Because it's got that dual lens camera. There's actually a tweak to enable portrait lighting on older devices, which is cool. Well, older devices. It's the iPhone 7 Plus, and that's it. That's the only device that doesn't have portrait lighting. How can you move your icons wherever you want? Depends what you mean by that. Do you want to move them like in bulk? Like, you want to move a whole section around, or do you want to move the individual icons wherever you want? You said something about Activator, but you didn't continue. Well, yeah, I was saying Activator, I'm not sure if the developer is working on it. He probably is. If not, some other developer will come out with one. That's probably going to be better or worse, something like that. The thing is, I wonder how tweaks that use Activator right now would actually work with that. I don't know. Yeah, I'll try to contact the developer for Activator if I find him. Does Badgemizer work? Some people said it does, and some people say it doesn't. So, I don't know. If you have a test device, test it on that first. I don't know, unless someone else in this stream has used Badgemizer. Then please let us know if it works on iOS 11. No, icons on home screen, like move them on a different square. So you can get, basically you're saying kind of like move them like that, like wherever you want, and when you go into wiggle mode, you can move them around. Yeah. No, not Activator. Anchor used to do that on older devices. I'm in contact with the developer of Activator. He was updating it until his friend broke his laptop, so I'm not sure what's going to happen with that. Probably someone else is going to come up with another tweak before he gets his computer sorted out. I just went to Cydia, and it's asking me to update half-installed packages. Is it safe? What Electra version are you on? If you're on 1.0.3 or over, then yes, it's safe. You can update. If not, don't update. You don't want to break your phone or whatever. Or get Cydia broken. Because that happened to me, and actually it happened to me 3 or 4 times because I made the video, and it took me like 2 takes to do, so yeah. Oh, guys, also there's another fix for Snapchat now, which is cool. So basically if you install No Substitute, basically you can select different apps that don't use substitute. So basically the jailbreak detection, sometimes it detects substitute. So if you download that, then was it substitute? No substitute or no substitute? I can't remember, one of the two. You just search it on Cydia, you'll find it. But basically you can block jailbreak detection in different apps. But basically how it blocks jailbreak detection is it just completely removes the jailbreak from working in that specific app. So nothing for iOS 11 yet. What was that again? No, not yet. Hello, Carl. 11.0.3. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Developers are now working on tweaks that work for everything. Favorite tweak? Eclipse 10. I can't live without it anymore. Eclipse 10 is one of my favorite tweaks. If not, my second favorite tweak is Lock Plus. I absolutely love that one as well. There's also another cool tweak, which I'm testing right now, called Hyper Ion. And basically, when you get notifications and your screen is black, then it will have like a pulsing effect on the screen, which is cool. So, like, letting you know that you have a notification, but the screen is actually off, which is cool. Kind of like on Samsung, where the red LED turns on. You iOS 11. What do you mean? I am on iOS 11. I got 11.3 public beta 6 on iPod Touch 6th generation. Oh, yeah. Every time I go into Snapchat, my camera don't work. Yeah, I have a full fix video on that, if you guys want to go and see that. Or another solution would be to use a tweak called No Substitute that basically will block the jailbreak from working in a specific app, and you can select Snapchat and your camera should work. Is side down not updated yet? Side down I think does work. I'm not 100% sure. Also, don't use it because that's piracy, so don't use it. Simple as that. Because also it breaks your Cydia, so don't do that. It always has loading signs. Oh yeah, I've also got, if you use this tweak No Substitute, then it will also work for that loading issues. Or if you don't want to install that and you want to use tweaks within Snapchat, then you can get another tweak which I've actually made a full video on that. Did you see my YouTube channel picture? It got 24 subscribers now. Oh, cool. Congrats. How do I get No Substitute? Just go search it up in Cydia. It's No Substitute or No Substrate. One of the two. You'll find it. Actually, if I check on this other phone here, I think I may be able to see. It's No Substitute. Okay, yeah, No Substitute. I don't think it has any spaces either. I think my dad came in here and left the door open. Okay. 1 second, guys. I've got to go and close the door because there's a lot of background noise here. No, actually. Sounds like a fight out there. Oh, files has been updated here. Yeah, they're watching TV and stuff. That's why. There's like sound from the TV. Also, my brother's sick. I don't know how you don't have more subscribers. Your vids are quality and you always explain things so clearly. I used your vids to fix my Snapchat. Awesome! Glad to hear that fix worked because the other fix didn't work for a lot of people. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to make another one. And I did. And I don't know. I like being clear when I actually explain things. Like I like to go through it step by step, telling you what you will need first, then moving on to what you need to do in sequence and stuff. So I'm glad that Snapchat fix did work for you. I've had it on my phone, that Snapchat fix on my phone for like, I think 2-3 weeks now, and it's been completely fine. But yeah, I'm getting to more subscribers soon. I'm on we're on 2,300 now, which is good. Kill Substrate can fix Snapchat. Just turn on the toggle for Snapchat. I think it's called No Substitute. Kill Substrate I think might be for older versions. Because I don't think, I think it uses Substitute, not Substrate. Wait, someone just... Kill Substitute. Yeah. You're right, yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Kill Substrate is for an older version. Because if you download that, then it'll search for Substrate. It can't find it because Electra doesn't use Substrate. It uses Substitute instead. I don't know why they call it Substitute. Couldn't they just call it Substitute Substrate? Unless it's like... what was I saying? I can't remember. Unless it's trademarked. There we go. Tweaks to kill apps quickly. What device are you on? If you're on an iPhone 10, there is one. It's called... It's from a developer. It's free. I can't remember what it's called now. Fab. Just awesome. Yeah, what device are you on? I'll be able to search one up. Someone asked me this. Okay. Yeah, you searched them up in Cydia. Have any of you guys tried the new PUBG on mobile? That's cool. Not iPhone 10. Then I'm not 100% sure it'll work, but there's a tweak from Spark Dev. Let me quickly see. Let me quickly check what the exact name is. I'm not 100% sure it'll work on the iPhone 8, as you just said. Easy Switcher X. I'm not 100% sure if it will work on older devices. But basically, you swipe down on the card you want to, like, remove. Like, you know, you just swipe down on a card, and then it'll give you 3 options. It'll give you reboot, respring, and kill all apps. If you tap kill all apps, it'll kill all the apps. So it works pretty well. Sometimes my CPU goes to 40%, then back to 3%. And sometimes to 104%. You got a fix for that. Yes! Don't install so many tweaks. Like, how many tweaks do you have at the moment? Also, there's a super cool tweak that you can literally, like, copy and paste your tweak list without having to, like, go and write each and every one of them down. The tweak is called Flame, I think. And basically, you can just export your tweak list, which is lit. So if a developer or someone asks you for a tweak list, you can go into Cydia, download Flame, and then you do that. How do you get the widget at the top of your home screen? I actually made a video on it. So guys, stop asking me that. I've made a video on it, and it explains everything you need to do. Of course, the process is a little different because the themes folder has moved to library. What video? Just search up in the YouTube bar, in the YouTube search bar, BenObi Tech, what's it called? BenObi Tech widgets, and then it should be the first video on there. Yeah, got your iPhone 10 at the minute fixed. I saw it on Twitter. No, it's not fixed. I'm using it right now. Like, let me quickly, for those who have just joined, show you what happened to it. Basically, it just happened out of nowhere, and the camera lens is now cracked. I did not drop it yesterday. I did not put it in any pockets with keys or anything. I have no clue how it happened. My phone has been overheating a lot lately, though, which might have been the cause. I'm saying might, but it just appeared out of nowhere. I went golfing yesterday. I was using my phone around. It didn't happen then because then in the car and later I didn't notice the crack. It wasn't there. And then all of a sudden I go to a church activity, come back. Then a few minutes later, I turn my phone around and I see this crack on my camera lens. I'm like, oh no, how can this week get any worse? Because already my week has been going pretty badly. I mean, today has been quite a good day, I must say. I haven't really done much, to be honest, but I'm hopefully going to go to the Apple Store tomorrow or later on this week to get that camera lens fixed, because I don't want to fix it myself, because I don't want to lose the water resistance on my iPhone 10, because right now the water resistance is 0. I have no more water resistance on my iPhone 10, which sucks. Also, there's dust that keeps getting into the lens, which is not a good thing. Which will damage the lens, and the camera still works, which is a good thing. It still works. It can still take pictures completely clearly. I'm using the front-facing camera right now, so that's why you guys are not seeing a crack. But you don't really see the crack on the camera, which is actually weird because the crack goes straight on the wide-angle camera. I don't know why, but yeah. Like, why did it have to happen on the camera lens? Apple, why do you have to make so fragile devices? Seriously. Apple better fix it for free as well, because I'm mad. Something I want to see in the next iPhone is better. Better durability. Those are all my tweaks. What tweaks? You haven't put any tweaks here. Brandon. Who's Brandon? What, is there someone called Brandon in here? No, there isn't. Why did you just write Brandon? Brandon. I thought it was Branadon for a second. What? On a 8 plus, do you know how much waterproof is if you dropped an iPhone 8 Plus in a pool? Would it survive, do you think? Maybe not in a pool, but even the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus have water resistance. It's IP67, so it can be submerged, I think, in 1.5 feet of water. Correct me, guys, if I'm wrong. I think it's 1.5 feet in water for 30 minutes. And yes, the iPhone 8 Plus also does have that water resistance. And it should be also better, I think, than the... Actually, no. Because it's got glass... Anyway, yeah. It is water resistant, don't worry, Lee. But if you do drop it in a pool, it'll probably survive if you take it out immediately. Yeah. What's your favorite theme? Ooh, that's a tough one. I'm currently using Space Potato Salad on my iPhone 10, which isn't like my absolute favorite theme, but it just goes great with the setup I have. Hello, Toshi. I don't know what those two Chinese or Japanese characters are there. I got 108 tweaks. Can't even type it all here. Alright, okay. If you have 108 tweaks, start deleting the ones you don't really need, because most of the time it's the tweaks that are actually using up your CPU. But yeah, going back to my favorite theme. Probably Clotus. That's a very good theme. I love that. And Vixilium. Vixilium are very good. Japanese. Yeah, I'm not good at distinguishing Chinese and Japanese. Oh, okay. Out of all jailbreakers, you in my top 5, maybe even 3. Awesome. So you mean like top favorite jailbreak YouTubers? Is that what you mean? Is there any tweak that gives you the home button thing on iPhone 10 for my 7 Plus? I only want the home button, no other features. I think Little X may do that, but I'm not sure if you can disable different things. Sorry I was too late. Keto, you're not really late. Well, yeah, I started half an hour ago. But if you're late to this stream, don't worry. Nothing really interesting has happened except me explaining the sad story about my iPhone 10's camera lens being broken. But yeah. My battery doesn't last at all. It goes quick. Yeah, I've been noticing that on mine as well. I'm trying to uninstall some tweaks that may use a lot of battery. I don't know how many tweaks I have on my phone. I probably have over 100. Just like iNoob. So, yeah, I'm not sure how to fix the battery life apart from deleting some tweaks. That's all I know. And your stuff actually works all the time. And the only YouTube that fixed my Snapchat. Awesome. That's good. Yeah, because I see a lot of YouTubers who are like, okay, you do this, but they tell you how to do something, but not really. Like, they tell you how to do something in a very complicated way that's not easy to understand. But the thing I try to do is I try to be as specific and as, like, as good as possible. If, I can't really find the right word for that, but yeah. Unless you want to be a pirate. How to download iGame Guardian, bro. There's no current. Oh, okay. I don't even know what that is. I've not heard of it. Okay, well, so many chats. 1 second, guys. Let me catch up. Okay, quick question. I have a widget on my home screen. Does that affect the battery in any way? I'm not sure. Actually, that's a good point. I'm not 100% sure because I've had the widget that I have on my phone for, well, pretty much since June's iPhone made it for me. I'm not sure. Because my battery life has just started getting bad the past few days. But that's because I've installed some other tweaks, I've updated some, and they do cause some battery issues. So, yeah. Is it possible to downgrade iOS 6... Wait, iOS 11.2.6 to iOS 11.1.1 with SSH blob? I'm not 100% sure. I'm not very familiar with blobs. Because I've never really used them. I mean, I have saved my blobs for iOS 11.2. I was too late to save them for 11.1.2. But yeah. Hello, Carmela. Carmela Carly. Precise. Yes, precise. That's the word I was looking for before. Any tweak like Candy Crush. What do you want to do on Candy Crush? Who even plays Candy Crush anymore? And Game Jam. Wait, what? This chat is all over the place. How do I download game? Oh yeah, Game Jam is not updated for iOS 11. Also, that's piracy. Loving the merch. Awesome. Yeah, great to hear, Lee. If you want to buy some merch, guys, link in bio. Since I know info uses the info to put it in your widget, it might. Yeah, true. That's true. iReview sucks. He put tweaks out there without testing them, and it breaks the jailbreak. He needs to stop. Yeah, the thing with some other jailbreak YouTubers is that they just install a tweak, and then they're like, oh yeah, it's working. They just install it for the video, and they're like, oh yeah, it's working. Look, it's working. And then after a few days, some people get them. It has problems on their phone, and it just crashes, and some people even like lost their jailbreak because of it. So not sure if it drains battery. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure if it does. Okay. Have you heard of Dope Settings? It's really cool. Yeah, I've heard of it, but I'm not a really big fan. I would like to customize the different settings. He somehow has the best working Cydia I've ever seen. Wait, who? Is it normal for Creator Studio app to kill the battery on my iPhone? If you've got... Well, if you get a lot of notifications, then yes. Like, I get a ton of notifications from YouTube Creator Studio, because a lot of you guys do comment on my videos. But I'm not sure why it would kill the battery on yours, Lee. Because you've only got a couple subscribers. No offense, like, you've got a couple subscribers, but you don't... I don't know. Maybe close it every time you finish using it. Because it uses like background app refresh and stuff. Did you know Carmela Carby is my girlfriend? Oh, cool. He doesn't test his tweaks. Yeah, I test my tweaks thoroughly before, like at least for a good few days. I didn't do that as much before because I started making jailbreak videos and I was new to it and that kind of thing. But now I'm actually testing the tweaks. Like I've got my next 10 jailbreak tweak video, which is gonna be tweaks I've been using for like more than a few weeks. But he gets no errors in this Cydia. Oh. How? I know there's a tweak, but... Anything about new voice changer Aquaboard? Not yet. I really want voice changer to be updated. I've got it installed on my iPhone 10. I managed to purchase it on this older iPhone 5 and then install it on here. But, yeah, I'm not sure. Oh, you said my last name right. I'm happy now. Hi. Hi, Frederick. See you later, Keto. Does the new tweak injector drain battery? I've heard it does, and it does. Like, I've noticed it. But also, I did get a little bit of battery drain before. I'm not sure. They still need to perfect the tweak injector. You ever going to do perfect jailbreak setups? Yes! Actually, I'm working on one, which is sick. I'm going to work on the setup that I've got now and show you guys my perfect jailbreak setup. I have a question, bro. Yes, go ahead, ignore. Also, BenObi Tech, Game Guardian is like cheat engine for iOS. Alright, okay. Oof. I'm gonna go to get, got a Talency call to go to. Bye, man. See you later, Lee. Actually, I haven't had a call with Talency yet. I've been part of the YouTube network since, like, last August or something, and I've never gone on a call with them. Which I pay for it, and I could. But yeah. Oh, probably you guys don't know what it is, though. Is Nick Tom Nuke going to release iOS 11.1.2 jailbreak? I don't know who that is, and I'm not sure. Tweak injector doesn't drain your battery. At least for me. Okay, that's good. My Electra iSong completely jailbreaking at 2/3. It reboots, doesn't respring. Yeah, some people have that happen sometimes. Just keep trying, or just re-sign the application. Will you provide sources and tweaks in the perfect jailbreak setups? Yes, I'm going to do my best to, like, literally feature every single tweak I have on my phone. If I don't manage to fit all of them into the video, I will put them all... I'll put my tweak list in the description so you guys can see that. And also, I will try to link all of the... not resources, all the repos and stuff. So, it's going to be a good video. Okay. Try to wait a little before jailbreaking. Re-jailbreaking. Yeah, wait. Yeah, because sometimes when you reboot, You do have to wait a few seconds for the jailbreak to be successful. I found that that's the issue. Okay, so I shall best stay on 1.0.3 injector then. If the battery's good, then yes. Hyperion? Yes, I do have Hyperion on my device. Guys, you're in for a treat. It is lit. I haven't really played around with the settings that much, but it's very cool. I'm just telling you guys, Hyperion is sick. If you have an iPhone 10, you're gonna appreciate it. I've tried a lot of times, it just doesn't. So you've also tried restarting, waiting like even a minute when you've just rebooted, and then try to jailbreak or not? Because that's what a lot of people don't do. Yeah. Not sure then, man. What tweak did you say? Hyperion or something? Yeah, Hyperion is basically a tweak that for the iPhone 10, I think it also works on older devices. I'm not 100% sure, but basically, every time you receive a notification, it won't turn the screen on or anything. It will actually have like a colored pulse type thing. I'm not sure how to describe it. I have to do a video on it. But like it basically, you could choose wherever you want it on the display. And every time you receive a notification, you will know you have a notification because there's this pulse that goes on your screen, which is pretty cool. Which I think is cool. Hyperion, can you spell it? It's just how you spelt it, but without the space in the middle. So Hyperion. You need a source for it, and how do you spell it? No, it's not available for people to install right now. I'm testing it exclusively for like the developer is letting me test it, so then I can help him iron out some bugs and stuff, which is. But it should be out soon, and you'll have to be part of his Patreon to actually get it. You best personal iOS 11.2 1.2 Electro jailbreak tweaks. Okay, give me a number, and I'll tell you my favorite tweaks. No, when it'll when it'll be released. I'm not 100% sure. He said he's trying to actually like iron out all the bugs and stuff before he releases it. So best to stay on injector 1.0.3. Yes, I said yes. See, my phone respringed and it went into safe mode randomly. I had to reboot and re-jailbreak. You don't have to reboot if it goes into safe mode. You just tap on the restart springboard, and boom, there you go. Okay, thank you. Nice shirt. Thanks. It's merch. Link in bio. I've plugged it probably like 10 times already in this stream. Yeah, it's new merch. I've also got 2 hoodies arriving soon. One BenObi Tech hoodie, so I'll be wearing that for the streams. So okay. 5. Okay, top 5 jailbreak tweaks. Alright, let's go. Number 1, Eclipse 10. Number 2, probably Lock Plus. Number 3, Hyperion, which is the one I'm testing. Number 4... probably Snapchat Luminous, which is another cool tweak, which is a Snapchat dark mode. I'm not sure. I'm just thinking about which tweaks I've got. And then another one, probably Reform X, because you can like literally move your icons wherever you want. I'm not gonna include Anemone in my top 5 because like Anemone's already pre-installed and stuff on the older betas. But yeah, does that every few minutes is annoying. Yeah, mine has been respringing randomly as well. It hasn't been doing that much these past few days, which is weird, but yeah. So I deleted all the jailbreak files with Filza and still not working. You had to try using Delectra. If you just Google Delectra, you'll find it. It basically deletes your jailbreak completely. Fitbit? No, this isn't a Fitbit. It's actually a budget, like $20 not smartwatch, fitness tracker, which I wanted to review on the channel. In fact, I did record the video like 3 times, but it never came out very well. So if you guys really want to see a review on this, I can do it. It's okay. For some reason now the time's been reset. I don't know why. Yeah. Okay. I didn't know that. iReviews said don't press it, lol. He's wrong. No, when you do get into safe mode, You want to press it. If it still goes back into safe mode, go into Cydia and uninstall the last tweak you just installed. You know Mitsuha, the music tweak. Yes, I do. Actually, Mitsuha 11 is on Cydia now. So I'll try to find the link. I may feature it in my next video or something. But yeah, Mitsuha 11 is actually on iOS 11 now. On Cydia as well. So you need an external repo or source or whatever you want to call it. Love your channel, man. Thanks, West Ham Streams. Can you use Snapchat Plus and use Liberty Light to block Snapchat jailbreak detection? No, not really, because even... No, actually, no, it doesn't work. I've tried it. Right now, I think Phantom for Snapchat is the only stable one that won't get you banned because it blocks the DRM checks and whatever. Can you... Wait. What's this other one? Bye, BenObi. My internet is too unstable. Sorry, I can't watch anymore. See you on Twitter. In surf. Okay, I don't know what that means. But yeah, see you later then, Mangus. Instead. Oh, okay. Do I use Impactor to install it? Yes. Wait. No, if you look for Delectra, it'll give you the full steps. I haven't done it myself because I haven't really had any problems. So, question. Every time I wake up, my phone is in safe mode. Any ideas why? Check your tweaks. You may have a tweak on the lock screen that's not compatible, that has issues with iOS 11. Just try to uninstall that. Or maybe two tweaks are fighting each other and it just puts it into safe mode. My phone sometimes actually reboots while I'm sleeping, which is worse. Ben, what about AppCake? What exactly did that do again? I can't remember. Just wondered in here. Never used an iOS jailbroken device or jailbroken. Have rooted though. So I'm here to listen how alike they are. Yeah, well, jailbreaking and rooting are kind of similar. It's just that on Android you can already customize like your launcher and whatever. And on jailbreaking you actually just unlock the whole thing. So, yeah. It is a difference though. It has a big difference because with jailbreaking you still are in the Apple ecosystem. So that's what I like about jailbreaking is that unlike Android rooting and stuff, you don't really have an ecosystem for Android, but with iOS you do. Till my name. Why? Which part? The Arab part? Because I can't read Arabic. Okay. You're the man on the jailbreak. Good to hear. Well, I try to be. I'll try to be the best YouTuber, jailbreak YouTuber on the internet. So, yeah. Till my name. What do you mean till your name? Like, do you want me to say Fortnite or your other Arabic name? AppCake is App Store alternative, but not yet updated for Lecture. Oh, okay. What was your question again about that? I think I've lost it. Okay. 1 second, guys. Let me pop out the chat here because this is... There we go. Okay. Alright, man. We'll look into that. Okay. Search up @VeroReal on Twitter and look at my home screen. I need to know if it's good from a jailbreak god. Well, I don't really consider myself a jailbreak god, but I don't even consider me a jailbreak expert. I just report on what I find. Okay, 1 second. Let me quickly check you out on Twitter. Open Tweetbot. No results found. Maybe let's remove the @ 1 second, guys. I can't read the chat. Yo, that's actually lit. That actually, honestly, looks lit. I'm actually retweeting it. Nice. Guys, this is his setup. Check that out. It honestly looks very nice. Great job with that. Okay, wait. I haven't... What are you guys saying here? Is there a jailbreak tweak for controlling CPU clock speed? Actually, I'm still looking for one. There may be one coming out soon. I'm not sure. It's only a matter of time. Some people have to work on one. AppCake has just been updated and works on iOS 11 now. Oh, okay. Any ideas on when it's getting updated? Wait, what was that? Appcake. Mangus just said that. It's already updated, so I don't know. Man, are you know Fortnite? Yes, I do know Fortnite. I haven't played it ever. I do have it on my phone. I did get an invite, but because Fortnite detects my jailbreak, I can't play it. And I've tried a lot of different things. In fact, I'm still looking for a jailbreak detection bypass for Fortnite. Cracking apps is a pain on iOS 11, so Appcake will be a while. Oh, okay. Why is it that with Eclipse 10 Beta 10 iOS 11, latest version, installs no problem, but when it's enabled, it won't work on anything? What? Try to, like, delete it and reinstall it, or just reinstall it, like, I don't know. Can you still get verified on Instagram? If so, what would you do if you got verified? Well, if I got verified, you can still get verified on Instagram, I'm pretty sure. And if I did get verified, that would be awesome. Don't really know, like, what the... Oh, yeah. I'll be able to plug my merch a bit more in my Snapchat stories and also plug my videos in the Snapchat story. Because right now, changing the bio every time I upload a video is just a pain. It's just so much easier on Snapchat when you say, okay, swipe up, and you can add the swipe up thing with a link. It's so easy. No problem, Cogin? Oh, wow, guess they updated it. Man, what version of you iPhone? What do you mean? iOS version or iPhone type version thing? Because I'm using an iPhone 10 on iOS 11.1.2. Jailbreaking with Electra. Do I have to move any files to default to do it? Well, the instructions should be on the Electra website, so... Yeah. Anything about scheduled messages on iOS 11 tweak? I think I've heard there was one, but I'm not 100% sure. It works. How can I get verified on Twitter? I think you need to have a certain amount of followers. Also, you need to click. You need to go onto the verified page, the Twitter verified page, and like click a link in there, and then it'll ask you a few questions, and it'll ask you for your Twitter profile and stuff, and then they will probably not verify if you don't have enough followers. I have tried. They haven't verified me. I think because I have like less than 1,000 followers or something. How can I get BioProtect for free? I don't know, and I don't want to. If I do know, I wouldn't share it, because that's piracy. I wish you could get all iTunes purchases for free. That's piracy, Alex. You mean like in-app purchases? Because there is a tweak, but I won't share it because it's considered piracy. iPhone and ISO. You mean iOS? iPhone 10, iOS 11.1.2. 11.1.2. There are none. What do you mean there are none? There are instructions on the Delectra page. You probably have gone on the wrong one then. I have 3 times I've installed it, and even just now it shows in settings, but it won't work. It worked, say, about up to 10 to 12 days after Electra with Cydia came out. Did you, like, update it? Because the developer does set a time when it expires. And also, how many days has it not been working for you? Also, do you have Noctis installed? If so, do you have Silo installed as well? And do you have it turned off in the control center or something? I'm not sure. You might. But this update came up and stopped working. Says for me. Oh, okay. Best iPhone game of yours? PUBG. I've been playing that for the past few days. It is lit. I love it. It is my new favorite game. Is there such thing as Lucky Patcher, if you know what that is, for iOS 11? I'm not 100% sure what that does. Current version of Electra. My current version of Electra, or the current, like, up-to-date version of Electra? I switched from 6S to Galaxy S8. It's so much better. Well, of course, you go from a 6S to an S8. It's newer, it's got a better processor and stuff. If you went from an S8 to an iPhone 10, yeah, I think it'd be better. Man, are you on Android? Can you please explain in a different... Like, am I on Android, or do I know what Android is? Because if I don't know what Android was, I wouldn't really be considered a tech YouTuber, would I? Let's go. Lucky Patcher. Locally App Store is Lucky Patcher for iOS. What exactly does Lucky Patcher do, or Locally App Store, or whatever? Noctis is not installed and it is up to date. That's weird. Have you tried rebooting? That sometimes works. Yeah, there is something like Lucky Patch for that person who asked. What version are you using and what is your current version of Electra? What are you asking me? Or are you asking someone there? Because I'm using the latest version of Electra. 1.0.4 I think it is. You great man. Oh my. Good. In-app purchase hack. There is one, but as I said before, I don't embrace piracy, so I won't share it. I don't even use it myself, so. Rebooting and respring. That's weird. Because Eclipse works completely fine on my phone. Are you sure you've got it turned on in settings? Like, have you gone into the settings and made sure it's turned on? And also that it is on midnight mode or dark mode or whatever. Yeah, I'm on Electra 1.0.4. So far we've only gotten one super chat from the stream, and it's been from Alex as usual. Bro, I wish there was a VPN toggle in CC. I think there may be a tweak for that. I'll look into it. Make in-app purchase hack. Oh, okay. That's what it does. Yeah, the in-app purchase hacks aren't even good. Yeah, I agree, because they don't really work on like non online games and stuff. Thank you. No problem. Wait, IMK, that's probably not me. Are you playing PUBG on PC? I do not own a PC, and no, I'm playing it on mobile. What on earth is that? Why did you just put a baby bottle emoji? That's weird. That's like the weirdest comment I've seen on my video. PC controls would be better. Well, honestly, I've got to say the controls on the iPhone are actually quite good. I still haven't managed to get in first place or anything. I think the highest I got was I was 4th in a game, and it was like any man for himself, every man for himself. So, yeah, I'm good. Good to hear, I guess. Is there a way to play Fortnite on iPhone jailbreak? I'm still looking for a tweak to fix it. Java? Is that how you say it? Java? But yeah, I'm still looking for a fix, a bypass for Fortnite. I've never played Fortnite in my life, and finally I managed to get it on my phone, and I can't play it because I'm jailbroken, so yeah. Pronounced Java, lol. Okay, that's fine. I thought it was Java. Or Java, or whatever. I don't know if you can view it, but here is a screenshot. I can't view any... You can't put screenshots in comments here on YouTube. You'll have to send it to me on Twitter. Might run on your MacBook, depending on GPU. Why did you type GPU twice? It doesn't run on my MacBook because I have zero storage, literally. I've filled up my storage since the day I got it, pretty much. So, yeah, I'm not going to be playing Fortnite on my Mac anytime soon, even if the GPU is fine. What's your Twitter? Everybody keeps asking me this. It's always in the description of my videos, so it's in the description of this live stream as well. Are you know how to get root on Android? No, I don't. I never really owned an actual Android phone. I've owned some phones that ran Android, but I haven't really tried Android or anything, so I wouldn't really know how to root devices. If someone super chats enough money to buy an Android phone, I will, and I'll start doing some root videos or something for Android if you guys want that. But you guys have to super chat if you want me to buy an Android phone. That's the only way I would buy one. Might run on your MacBook depending on GPU. Why did you write that twice? Stay on one thing, Ben. What do you mean for the channel? Like stay on one thing. I'm a myth. Okay. There's plenty of other YouTubers that do root videos, probably that are probably not as good as my jailbreak videos, but you know. iOS will lead you to top. Mark my word. Yeah, I know. There is more market for like Android, YouTube, no, iOS jailbreaking than there is for Android rooting. I'm sure of it. I mean, I do want to get an Android phone soon to maybe just like play around with, so that I can say that I've tried Android, but not about jailbreak only. What do you mean? Like, of course, my channel is iOS based. It's like iPhone, Apple based. It's all about iOS. Yeah. I also do reviews, which I haven't done for that often, in the past few weeks. Like, I also do some reviews on this channel and stuff. I've got some that I want to record soon and post as well. What time is it right now? 10:35. Okay. No problem. Just make sure it's for the specific maker of your phone. So the difference with jailbreaking and rooting is that rooting is way easier to do because like Google allows you to do that. But yeah. Just start modifying the device. What device? You mean Android device or like either hardware or software? What? What? Oh, what you mean like just like just like build my own iPhone? Are you saying that? Actually, that's a project I want to do. I want to actually build my own iPhone from scratch. Like buy all the parts from Alibaba or eBay and like do a full series building my own iPhone. Someone has done it and he went to China, but I want to do it from home. So I'm going to like order part because not many people have actually done like how to build your own iPhone type of video. So I want to do one of those. Like maybe also be like a fully customized one. Like get a custom nice shell. Get a cool screen and stuff like that. So yeah. Seems like Electra for iOS is basically Super Sue for Android. Wait, what? Electra's not for Android. I think you need to switch those over. Make a unique content. Yeah. Hello, Faddle Films. But yeah, I do try to make unique content. I mean, jailbreaking videos isn't really that unique. But like the way I do them, it is kind of unique. How are you? I'm very good, thanks for asking. Actually, nobody has asked me how I was this whole stream. I mean, yes, I'm doing great today, but the past few days have kind of been not really good. Also, yesterday ended up very, very badly. My phone's camera lens is now broken. My expensive $1,150 iPhone X's camera lens broke. It works, but yeah. How are you? My second video just reached 100 views. Why am I so happy? Oh, have you uploaded a second video? I haven't seen that. I forgot to turn on notifications. I'm sorry. But if it got 100 views, that's great. For a second video. Congrats. That is not bad. Like, I think my second video got probably 5 views or something. And it had 5 views for a few years. Even though some other videos after that got way more views. Thank you. No problem. What's the second video about, by the way? Faddle Films. Actually, I can go and see that. Go to channel. Alright, let's get a few more super chats in, guys. Come on. Oh, wow. Wait, your first video on your channel got 249 views. And it's a time-lapse. That's cool. I didn't know time-lapses got those many views. Top 10 Cydia tweet. You actually titled that very well, Faddle Films. That's actually very, very good. How to get iPhone 10 dynamic wallpapers on... Yeah, that's the one I watched. 54 views isn't bad. If you guys want to watch some other jailbreak videos, another jailbreak YouTuber is Faddle Films here in the chat. Just go check out his channel. It's cool. I tweeted the link of pic to you. Okay, I'll check it out later after the stream. We've been streaming for an hour, guys. And we've gotten a super chat total of £1.40. Let's get that up. Let's make that go up. Guys, I have a question. Would you guys be interested in me reviewing more phones? Like reviewing some Android phones and stuff? Can we get hashtag BenObi in the chat? No. Why did someone just say no? Oh, wait. You meant like... Yeah, because I'm actually trying... Some other YouTubers are smaller than me managed to get people, like companies, send them free phones. So what I want to actually do is go ask my local carriers around here and ask them to give me like a phone to review and stuff. Like I want to try to get a Galaxy S9 and like compare them. Speed test, comparing phones in the future vid. Yeah, that's what I'm actually thinking of doing. Yeah, guys, let's get the hashtag BenObi Tech. Someone super chats that. Well, it'll get pinned so people will see that. My last tweak I made gotten 18,000 downloads on iOS 11. Not sure why I'm so happy. Oh, Brian, you're the one who commented the other day. What tweak was I using? What? I can't remember what tweak you have that I featured in my video. Yeah, 18,000 downloads. That's insane. That means there's a lot of people in iOS 11 that are jailbroken. Go with iOS gadgets. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, but the thing is, I don't really want to be just a... Like, I also want to, like, voice my opinion on Apple devices more. And I can do that better if I know what the competition is like. Because I haven't really tried... I haven't really dug deep into Android yet. So I wanted to start doing that, maybe. That would be cool. Yeah. Last tweak, the worked you installed... That, not the last tweak that I installed that's working. Let me think. Actually, can't remember. What tweak was it? I'm not sure. Yeah, choice is yours. Is a suggestion. Yeah. I mean, if you guys want to see that, I can do that. I can make that happen. So, yeah. What's up, Ben? What's up, Carl? You were here before. So I don't know why you said, what's up again? Did you subscribe to my YouTube channel? Please don't plug it in the description or in the comments. But yes, I am subscribed. I also have notifications turned on, Carl. How do I play Fortnite without the jailbreak detection? Jailbreak detection. I want to play. Yeah, I want to play it too. I'm still looking for jailbreak detection tweak, anti-jailbreak detection tweak for Fortnite. So hopefully I'll get that. Hopefully a developer will actually work on one that's coming soon. Oh, by the way, guys, it was the Formula 1. I didn't feature Formula 1 in a video, I don't think. I'm sorry, Brian, I can't remember. I've got so many tweaks on my phone. It was in my top 20 tweaks video, I think. What did your family think about you doing YouTube vids? Well, they're just happy with it. They're happy that I found something that I like doing, and they're actually very supportive as well. Like, most of my camera gear, they bought for me because they want me to succeed in life, and I want to be doing YouTube, if not just even start my own film company. I want to do something with cameras and stuff when I grow up and stuff. So, yeah, they're very supportive on me doing YouTube videos ever since I started. They actually started making YouTube videos before me, and then I kind of started doing them. They stopped doing them after a few months. We used to have like a family channel, and we used to make videos on health and stuff. So yeah, that was cool. Yeah, they're very supportive on that. There's a no substitute tweak. Yeah, I know. I said about that before. But it doesn't. I have tried that tweak. It doesn't work on Fortnite. I mean, it does get past the loading screen, but then the screen just goes blue. And nothing else happens, so it still does detect the jailbreak. AppCake works on iOS 11 now. Yeah, some people have already said that before. No worries. I'm waiting on my Fortnite invite, Fortnite, so I can play it. I have received an email first. Yeah, you need to receive an email. Also, as soon as I might have access to my Fortnite, I'll have I also have received an email that said I have like 5 invites to give out to some friends and stuff. I may do a giveaway on Fortnite codes if you guys want that. But yeah, I have to receive a via email. Yeah, you do. I thought it might. Actually, I might I may remember. Wait, only channel I have notification on because you're almost the only channel I watch every video and you actually respond to comments on your live stream and vids. Yeah, I do try to reply to all of my comments. Some comments I haven't replied to because they do end up some of them in like my reviewed and spam and stuff. But I do try to sometimes go there because sometimes there are some comments that are good. But I do try to reply to every single comment, even though it's after a few days. And also I do try to reply to comments as soon as I can. In fact, some people like comment 5 seconds later, I reply to them and they're like, whoa, that was super quick. No other YouTuber does that. Because I see other YouTubers and people comment, like YouTubers my size even, people comment on their videos and they never reply. Like, I like to engage with you guys. I do live streams so I can talk with you guys live. I also do, like, when I do videos, I reply to every single comment I can. So, yeah. And that will start getting, I will start to be able to not reply to every single comment, which is now, right now, it is quite hard to reply to every single comment because I get a ton. Like, I upload a video, it gets 100 comments, and like I upload another one after that and it gets another 100. It is getting harder and harder to reply to every single comment, but I am trying my best to reply to every single comment and also chat to you guys in as many live streams as I can. When will lock HTML be compatible for iOS 11? Well, there's lock plus that you can get for now, but I'm not sure if that's gonna be updated for iOS 11 anytime soon. I watch all your videos. Like, is the 5C still worth it buying in 2016 or 2017? I think I watched that one. So you subscribed because of that one? Because a lot of my subscribers before the jailbreaking era for my channel, a lot of you guys did subscribe from between like 2016 and 2017 because of those videos. So I may be doing what is the iPhone 6s Plus still worth it in 2018 or another phone? I'm not 100% sure. For real, lol. What did you? Okay, yeah. I'm reading the comments late, guys, because I'm trying to read every single comment on the chat. I have to go eat. Awesome stream. I'll see you in your next vid. Okay, see you later, Gamer Tech Pro. I want the iPhone 5 video still worth buying also. I do have a video on that. Is the iPhone 5 still worth it in 2017? Oh, UK. How you copy a message and you need to copy another message, but keep that one. I wish there was a tweak to show everything you copy. I'm not sure if there is a tweak for that. I don't know. I'll look into it. Yeah, I subscribed back in the year of 2016, yeah. So you've been subscribed quite... Actually, I just think I started making videos on this channel in 2016. I'm not 100% sure. Got to go, but if anyone wants a new tweak I'm making but works and is stable, I made a color UI activity spinner that were in Cydia Formula 1 tweak system-wide. Called it Colorful Loads. I think I saw that on my changes list on Cydia. I'll install that later, maybe. But yeah, see you later, Brian. I'm saying I watched it. Oh, okay. I went there and I don't get what to do. Wait, so you went to the Delectra page. Is there a way to play Fortnite on jailbroken phone? This is the third time this has been asked to me in this stream. No, there still isn't a tweak to like bypass the jailbreak detection. I will make a video as soon as there is one though, so don't worry, guys. Yeah, I've been subscribed a long time now, since 2016 to 2018. Awesome. Do you play Fortnite? I wish. I would be playing Fortnite, but because there's still jailbreak detection on my phone, I can't play it. Also, my Mac doesn't have enough storage, so I can't install it on my Mac either. Eknur, try looking on YouTube how to use Delectra. There's definitely a tutorial on that. It probably won't be as clear as mine, but you know, you'll find it. You'll do it. How's the Chinese takeout in UK if you've ever tried it? I think I might have tried it, but I was super young and I can't remember. We don't really get many takeaways here as a family. If we do get any takeaways, we do get Italian and sometimes Indian, Japanese and stuff. But we get them from like the supermarket and stuff, literally. Or the shops or whatever you want to call them. But yeah, I haven't tried any Chinese takeout in the UK, but I've got some friends that do, and apparently it's good. Keep up the good work. Thanks, Brian. See you later. Should I stay on 11.2.2 or update to 11.2.6? Okay, if you want to jailbreak, stay on 11.2.2 because there are some exploits that are being found for 11.2.2, 11.2.2. So stay on where you are if you want to jailbreak as soon as possible. If not, just update. Can you make one? You do them really good. I don't really want to do it on this device because I've got a bunch of tweaks installed and I would have to reinstall every single jailbreak tweak. But if someone does super chat enough on this live stream, that I will be able to buy another phone on iOS 11. So yeah, another device. If I do buy another device on iOS 11, I would do the Delectra tutorial. So if you guys want to super chat, let's say $50, that will be able to pay for that. Also, I'm saving up to get one, but if you guys want me to get one faster, then if you super chat, I'll be able to do that. Whenever I re-jailbreak using Electra, it takes ages to reboot, like 5 to 10 minutes. That's actually not normal. Like, does it reboot and it works after that or not? You should definitely do a cooking video. That would be amazing. $20 for you cooking something. Actually, I did attempt to do a vlog the other day making pancakes with the Google Home Mini. I could actually do something like that. If you guys want me to do a video series of like doing stuff with the Google Home Mini or Alexa or Amazon Echo, whatever you want to call it. So I could do that. $20. But you mean like cooking something in this stream, Alex? Or do you mean like in another stream or something? Because I could do a stream cooking something if you guys really want that, even though it's completely off topic of this channel. But depends how much you super chat. How did you re-jailbreak? You just go into the Electra app and you just tap jailbreak. That's how easy it is. Lol. You should do an iPhone 5C is still worth buying in 2018. Well, my points that I made in 2016 are pretty much the same, so it doesn't really make sense in making it, is the iPhone 5C still worth it in 2018? But I may do is the iPhone 6s Plus still worth it in 2018? Because my dad has one, and I could make a video on that, so... Or the iPhone SE. I could do, is the iPhone SE still worth it in 2017? You should do a iPhone 5... Yeah, I just read that. Yes, it works. Okay. I can't remember what that was. Yo, when do you think Priority Hub 2 coming out for iOS 11? I'm not sure. Actually, I really want Priority Hub to come out. It's going to be cool. It happened after I replaced the menu files for Snapchat error. Okay, Maze, did you do the steps in my video, like, step by step, completely in sequence? Because if you didn't, then that may be the issue. I found some local people selling iPhone 5 for $60 on iOS 10. Well, of course they're on iOS 10. $60 isn't bad. Yeah, I could probably get some at my local phone shop cheap, but I want to get like a device on iOS 11 that's jailbroken because I've already got two. Well, actually, I've been trying to fix an iPhone 5C today, and the display that I got was absolute rubbish. Like, I didn't get, of course, one from Apple because that would cost me like $50. I just got a cheap one for like $15 on eBay, and it wasn't very good. So it like the backlight isn't working. So yeah, I already do have two things. Yes, do a cooking something now. I'll donate $50. I can't really cook something right now because first, I'm tired, and also I don't really want to go and cook. I've just eaten, so I'll do it in another stream if you donate $50 if you want. Someone was selling iPhone 5s silver, still running iOS 9, broken screen on it. Yeah, I also did find an iPhone 5s on iOS 9, but I want to get a device that's on iOS 11. I don't care about any other versions because those will be relevant for this channel. I have 6S Plus. Awesome. Do the iPhone SE video. Do the iPhone 6S Plus video is still worth it buying in 2018 also. Yeah, I think I may do those two. I don't know. Can I show you a theme I'm working on? Sure, Fatal Films. DM me on Twitter. I'll have a look. I'm actually still thinking of some, like... So I'm thinking of making a video on, like, my top favorite themes and stuff. Could you link us wallpapers that you've used in past videos? Actually, I've got to start doing that because like literally almost most of the comments in my comment section now are like, "Oh, how did you get the wallpapers?" Especially the one on my lock screen, the one where the bubbles move around. That is a stock iPhone 10 wallpaper, and I can't really link that, but there is a jailbreak tweak to get iPhone 10 wallpapers on older devices. So if I do get an older device, that is definitely going to go in the 10 jailbreak tweaks list. So yeah. Yeah, I will try to link the wallpapers in my next videos, if I remember. So guys, please remind me. I replaced the files, but there wasn't a pop-up to release the original files or overwrite them. Did you try... Okay, do this. Try to reinstall Anemone. Just go into Cydia, remove it and reinstall it, or just tap reinstall. And then do the process again and see if it works. If it still has that lag issue, then get another tweak. That reinstall Anemone and everything. But then get a tweak called No Substitute from Cydia. No spaces or anything. And then use that tweak... Go into this tweak settings and then disable Snapchat because that will basically disable substitute from working in Snapchat. Get a iPhone 5s on iOS 11. I was looking at iPhone 5s, but I want to get like a faster phone. I was thinking iPhone 6s or 6s Plus with 3D Touch. So I'm looking for a phone with 3D Touch that's on iOS 11 to jailbreak, so then I can make more jailbreak videos on older devices and stuff and show you guys how to get iPhone 10 features on older devices, because I know most of you guys are actually on older devices. I don't have Twitter. Do you have Instagram, Fatal Films, or Discord or something? Like, what social media platforms are you on apart from YouTube? Is it possible to get an iconoclasm that maybe is so why 5 but 2 rows are empty? Can you please elaborate on that? That's kind of complicated. Oh, we got another super chat from Lucas. I'm alive. I actually thought you were dead. No, I didn't. No, I know you. Thanks for donating the £2. Get a 6S. iPhone a 6 Plus, 16 gigabyte. 2 problems with it. Passcode locked and broken screen on it. Yes, you told me already. You don't have to tell me again. Sure if that sounded rude. But yeah, I'm thinking of getting an iPhone 6S or 6S Plus. I don't care what gigabyte it is on. In fact, if you guys have an iPhone 6, if you guys have an iPhone 6S, 6S Plus, or a 7 or a 7 Plus, or an 8 or an 8 Plus, and you want that's on iOS 11 to 11.1.2, please, and you're willing to sell it, please DM me on Twitter or something, and we'll do a deal, and I'll buy it off you maybe. Discord I have. Okay, then Fatal Films, contact me on Discord. I'm BenObi 2000 over there. Actually, if you join my Discord, I've got a Discord server in the description. It's at the very bottom of the description. Just click that and you'll be able to join my Discord server and we can chat over there and you can share the screenshots and stuff. So hello again, Lucas. Can you look into iWidget and explain how to add different widgets and such for a video? iWidgets doesn't work on iOS 11. So, I'm sorry. I have a 6S too. Cool, Chris. A lot of my viewers use an iPhone 6S, surprisingly. It's like iPhone 6S and iPhone 7 are the most used out of you guys. Oh, it's quiet now. So you know theme better 5-column home screen, but a theme that has the first 2 top lines without icons, so it looks like I moved my apps to the only bottom 3 rows. I think you can actually make your own iconoclasm layout. I'm not 100% sure how to do that. I don't use iconoclasm anymore. I use Reform X, which I think is better in so many ways. So yeah, you have a 1,000+ pound phone, and I'm giving you money. Thanks for donating the $2 again, Lucas. Another £2. But yes, I may have a 1,000+ pound phone, but I still make YouTube videos and stuff on it. So that's one of the main reasons why I bought the iPhone 10 and I didn't go for the iPhone 8 or something older, is because I wanted to actually, like, my plans were to start jailbreaking and stuff, and I wanted an iPhone 10. I wanted the newest, the latest and greatest, and I also wanted to make videos on it. When I install no substitute, my phone freezes like 4 times, and I have to turn it off completely, my iPhone, then re-jailbreak. That, now I uninstalled it. It doesn't freeze anymore. That's weird. Are you sure you don't have any other tweaks conflicting with it? Tweak, not theme. Yeah, I understood what you said. It's... See you later, Lucas. That was quick. You just came for like 5 minutes. It's hard to make your own iconoclasm layout. I've tried before. Okay. Well, I'm not 100% sure if there is a layout like that. Your tutorial didn't really help me understand how to use Reform X. I make a better detailed video if you want. Yeah, I do agree I wasn't really clear that much on that video, but I would have to redo it. But the developer hasn't given me the thing for free or anything. Kind of demotivates on it, I think. Where did everybody go? Look, just because the connection was lost doesn't mean I'm gone. Wait. Can you guys see me? Is this working, guys? Like, it... Okay, you can see me. Okay, good. If I had money, I'd totally buy Reform X. Yeah, I'm trying to contact the dev and get him to give me some sort of way to give it away. So... Where has literally everybody's left apart from 3 of you? 5 now. Okay. Better. Everybody's left. I'm sad now. We're just oh, there's just 4 of us now. I'll share a link around. That's cool, Java. Thanks. Actually, I didn't even tweet this out on Twitter that was live, and still I got 19 people on this stream, so that was good. 19 people at once. Or was it like over 20? I don't know. I installed it and it worked fine for like 20 minutes. Then my phone started freezing. I wasn't sure what was creating that freeze, so I uninstalled it to see if that was a problem, and it was. Huh. What iPhone have you got? Kogan. Not sure how to pronounce that name. Anyway, guys, I think it's getting late. Yeah, it's super late. It's 11 p.m. If someone super chats right now, I'll stay till 11:30, but I have to get up at 6 tomorrow, so I kind of have to go to sleep. I would sell you an iPhone 6. Yeah, depends how much. I would buy it. Also, where are you based? So then I know how much the shipping would cost. An old one, great condition. Is it on iOS 11 though? If it's on iOS 11 or 11.1.2, that's good. I'll get it. No 3D touch. It's fine. Even if it does have 3D touch, I can live without 3D touch. I could just get Peekaboo or something. It's just like I would keep that as a last resort because I would like to get something with 3D touch. But if you give me a good deal, then I'll get it off. I'll buy it off you. If it's on iOS 11, of course. Will you make videos on adding widgets on the home screen, such as the time and date? I already have made a video on widgets. I'll have to do another one, but yeah. I think it's on 11.2.1. Ah, yeah, that won't really work then. Unless there's a new jailbreak coming out any day now. But yeah, if there were another jailbreak that comes out, then I do have I have my brother's iPad and my brother's iPhone SE that I can jailbreak if a jailbreak comes out for iOS 11.2.x. But yeah. Yeah, guys. I think I'm gonna go now because I'm tired. I've been up. Well, I went back to sleep this morning, but yeah, I got up at 6 and then went back to sleep and woke up at 11. I'm at 11.1.2. Get it mixed up. Okay, that's perfect. Java, do you have Twitter or something? We can chat a bit more over there, and like we can negotiate on a price if you're willing to sell it. That is, like if you have another device, of course, then you can sell it to me. I just joined the Discord group chat with you. Awesome. Yeah, I'm trying to get more people on the Discord server. There isn't that many right now, but if you guys want to join it, you can do it in the link in the description below. It's been like 1.5 years that I have my phone, and I never used 3D Touch once. Lol. I've used 3D Touch a lot on my phone. I find it very useful, but yeah, of course, not everybody uses it. Some people say it's a gimmick. I think it's pretty cool that your phone can actually feel the like pressure on the display. A iPod Touch 6th Gen. Well, Carl, it depends on what device I find. I don't really want a small display though. Like making videos, I need a bigger display to show and stuff. But yeah, an iPhone 6 would be absolutely perfect, I think. Even though it doesn't have 3D Touch, I could just install whatever. Carl, why did you just say iPod Touch 6th Gen then? Oh, we've got 9 people on here. Okay, guys, if someone super chats $1 or $2, then I'll stay for another half an hour. If not, I've got to go because I am tired and I need some sleep. So, if you guys have any last questions, let me know now, and I will answer to you guys. But yeah, Java, if you DM me on Twitter or join my Discord server, we can chat and negotiate on a price and stuff. Are you in US for shipping? I'm not in the US, I'm in the UK, but I am willing to pay for the shipping if it's good. I want to sell my old Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. How much should I get for this? Actually, I'm looking for an Android phone. Does it run Android 8.0 Oreo? If it does, then I might actually maybe buy that off you. I'm looking for Android phones as well to review and get a taste of Android. iPhone 6 randomly resprings sometimes, reboots into safe mode. Any ideas what's wrong? Actually, that's been happening to me as well. I still haven't found a fix. I don't know why. Chrissy, I will reply to your comments now. Alright, he's gone on your videos. That's awesome. Same issue. Yeah, I'm still looking for a fix for that. It just happens sometimes. Like when I go to sleep, I wake up in the morning and like the jailbreak's gone. I have to like re-jailbreak. What's better, the sun or the moon? Why is that even a question? They both do different things, but like the sun keeps you warm and stuff. So and also I'm out when I go outside. I go outside mostly when the sun's out. So I'd say sun. I'm from Austria, so it would be pretty hard to sell that to you. Well, I could pay for shipping. It depends what price you give me. Also, I would only buy it if it does run Android 8.0. Actually, I don't even think that's out yet for Android. That's for Samsung. Does the Galaxy S6 run Android 8? Oh, wait. Okay. Apparently not. Says it's gonna happen down the road. Okay, fine. Does Reform X work or are there issues? I literally have no issues whatsoever with it. I mean, when you do install, of course, you make it in the UK. So even I could find one. I could go to one of my local phone shops, but yeah, like it's easy to find one. You just have to do some digging on the internet and find one. Good night, Kogan. I'm a donate, and you'll stay up. If you donate $5, I will stay here for another, well, for another half an hour. 30 minutes. $5 for 30 minutes. Because I am tired today, so. Also, I do need to get up at 6 in the morning. And it's 11 p.m. right now. So, yeah. Also, guys, another cheeky plug. If you guys want merch like this. And also, I have merch for BenObi Tech. So, there's a tech underneath here as well. Link in the description. Yeah, I find my phones from local cell phone repair shops. Yeah, same. There's like 5 or 6 in my local town. So, I can just go look for one over there. So, I may take a trip. As soon as my AdSense drops, I'll go. Silly question. Every time I turn my iPhone, blinks once in the start Apple logo, then turn on normally. That's a known thing with iOS 11.1.2. Hear it like a lot of them. Yeah, here as well. There's there's like 5 or 6 here where I live. Actually works very fine. Thanks. Okay. I mean, it was a question because you have to deal with the sun or the moon every single day. Although you can escape the sun and moon by living underground or moving to a planet away from the sun. How would you move to a planet away from the sun? We still haven't been further away from the moon yet. Yeah, you could just do everything. It's like 10 every city here. Yeah, I'm just giving it a blind guess. I've only, like, that I can remember right now, it's about 5. There may be more. And also, there's a few other towns that are close by that do have more phone shops. So, yeah. But yeah, if you guys don't ask any questions anymore, well, if you guys have any last minute questions, or if anyone wants to super chat to keep me up for another half an hour, do that now, because if not, I'm gonna actually end this stream. So, yeah. Have you ever bought any items from the shops, any cell phone shops? I don't think I have. I think I've either bought the phone at the Apple store, or a friend of mine was throwing it out because it didn't work or something and gave it to me. I don't think I've ever gone to an actual cell phone repair shop to actually buy one. But I may be buying one soon. Vampire. What? That's what I have for now. Stay up, please. $2. Okay, because it's like half, we'll do 15 minutes. So it's 11:15 now. So I'll stay up till 11:30. I can't stay over 12 because then I will barely get any sleep, and I have to get up at 6 in the morning because I have like a thing at my church. So I have to get iPhones 5C yellow and iOS 9 or iOS 10. Yeah, iPhone 5Cs are super cheap and easy to get now. Okay, I guess, guys, I'm staying here for another 15 minutes. Thanks to Alex. I guess I'll stay then. Well, if it's late for you and you want to go to sleep, you can go. Like, all you have to do is watch. It's easy. We're almost at 100 minutes of stream. How much super chat have we got so far? So we had $4 from Alex and £4 from Lucas. So that's, yeah, that's not much, but yeah, it's cool. It's only 7 p.m. where I live. Oh, right, okay. Is there iMessage ++? Lol. I don't think so. But you can install tweaks for iMessage, so yeah. I found one with it cracked for around $45. Cool. Alright, I'm back. Welcome back, Keto. Fatal Films, I joined your Discord and sent you a screenshot. Okay, I'll check that out right now. Where's my Discord? Here we go. Discord. I don't really know that much how to use Discord. Like, I have created my Discord server and stuff, so that's cool. Any tweaks for the Apple Watch? There were a few for iOS 10, but there aren't many anymore. I don't think there's any for iOS 11, unfortunately. This is the theme I'm working on. Do you think it's cool? Oh yeah, that's actually pretty cool, Fatal Films. That's pretty neat. I mean, it's not like my type of setup, if you know what I mean. I kind of like color and stuff on my screen and a lot going on. But yeah, that's cool. It looks cool. Oh, we got a new notification here. Okay. Okay, back to the chat. Okay. Hello, Mao. Welcome. So what did I miss? Just questions that were being asked. 3 people asked me if there was a Fortnite bypass or whatever for the jailbreak. So yeah, and also somebody donated on people donated on Super Chat to keep me up till 11:30 p.m. I want to tweak that gives an animation when you plug your phone into charge. That'd be cool, actually. I'm gonna actually if Spark is watching this right now, because he probably is, because he watches all my streams but never comments anything. If not, I'll DM him on what's it called, on Discord. I'll ask him if he can work on a tweak like that. That shouldn't take much code or anything. Can you see if I joined it? Yes, you did, Carl. 3 people joined my Discord since I started this. I'm gonna get Apple Watch Series 1 or 2. Yeah, don't get the Apple Watch Series 0. Get the Series 1 or the Series 2. They're good. I want to get myself an Apple Watch as well. Nope, we don't want. Thank you very much. Thanks, Alex, for hiding that. There is a tweak, but it's more of an alternative. I think it's a vault or something. What does it do? I literally have a pinned message on the jailbreak server because I'm tired of people asking for a Fortnite bypass. Yeah. Literally, I probably have at least one comment every video saying like, oh, is there a Fortnite bypass? I'm like, yeah, no. I will make a video when one comes out, and still people ask me. They like the same person also asks me in the next video, and I'm like, have I made a video yet? No. So normally when you put a charger in your phone, it vibrates for a second. Mine doesn't anymore. That's weird. I will found you and well be killed you. What? That's like a riddle or something. I'm desperately waiting for NGX Play or Carbridge. I'm not sure what those 2 tweaks are, or even if there are tweaks. It's Apple Watch Series 0. Yeah, that's what I said. It's Apple Watch Series 0. I would get a Series 1 or a Series 2. I would not get the Series 0 because a lot of people complain about that. Basically replaces it with a full screen, so replicates notifications day and time. CarPlay tweaks. Not sure of any. I don't have CarPlay, so I tried CarPlay for like a good few weeks. It was great, but I don't have it right now. I kill you. Why do you want to kill me? Why? Someone comes on the stream and is like, I want to kill you. Why do you want to kill me? And my Mophie juice pack for my iPhone, she every day. What? I also keto, what? Yeah, actually, it's something very funny. The developer Spark Dev, he DM'd me like yesterday or something, or today, and it was like, when ETA next live stream, and I was like, yeah, I may do one tonight. So that's he kind of like gave me the idea of streaming today, and a good thing I did because a lot of you guys are interacting and engaging. Tired, huh? Yeah, I am a little tired. My battery life is great. Back, I don't carry my case around everything day. You should. Don't go around without a case. Like, the weird thing when my camera lens on my iPhone 10 broke, yeah, that wasn't... I had a case on it. It was quite a bulky case as well. So, I honestly have no clue how my camera lens broke. Next time, I'm going to get this camera lens repaired. and then I am gonna buy a screen, like a camera lens protector or whatever. I had one. It was plastic, but it broke when I was putting it on. So yeah, that was convenient. That's what a one pound on Wish gets you. Not very good. Also, it took like 3 weeks to arrive. Any new tweaks? I'm not sure. There might be. Not 100% sure. Because you, Geralt. So you want to kill me because I'm great? Is that what you're saying? Why? When ETA for new tweaks vid? I'll try to get to work on one tomorrow, so probably Friday. I meant to. There's a tweak for fixing Snapchat. It's called Kill Substitute. No substitute. Yeah, I've got that as well. I may actually do a video on it. So, yeah. Say, Ben, I don't carry my phone charger around all day, so I just use my Mophie juice pack for my iPhone SE. Oh, right, that's what you mean. Yeah, makes sense, yeah. Yeah, because the Mophie juice pack does, like, double your battery life, does it? If I got it for the iPhone 10, then... Actually, I might... actually, thinking about it now, I may buy one, because battery life on my iPhone 10 has been not very good. You realize that your phone is jailbroken, right? Which means Apple won't fix your phone. Yeah, I'll hide Cydia and everything, don't worry. I'm gonna try. If they don't fix it, I'm literally gonna get mad at them because I'm pretty sure the camera lens broke because my phone overheated. If they don't fix it, I'll go to a phone repair shop and get it fixed. It's just I want to get it fixed by Apple because they like... because I trust them that they'll do a good job and they won't do a terrible job. Do you have any tweaks that modify Snapchat install? You mean like modify the inside of it? Like the look of it and stuff? Never encountered... Oh, wait. But send you into safe mode in a while. Yeah, I have had some people say no substitute does put you into safe mode. Man, you know everything about Apple. I do, I guess. But I still don't get why you said you were going to find me and kill me. Still don't get that. Actually, guys, has anybody tested Badgemizer, as Alex says here? And does it work? It got mines for about $14 on Amazon. Yeah, probably if I got one for the iPhone 10, it would cost a bomb. Like $99 or something. However, I have movable 9, and that might not be a good thing. For what? For movable 9? How can I get Lock Plus Pro for free? You can't. There's no way of getting it for free. Literally, there's no way. At least that I can share or anything. I use movable 9. I don't use movable 9. I have an iPhone 10. Status bar is different. Do you wish you could go to WWDC? Definitely. If I had the money, I would like pay the $1,500 to be in the raffle. I'm a Apple fanboy also. Well, yeah, pretty much everybody who jailbreaks is kind of... No, actually, no. There are some people that use PCs and stuff. But yeah, I consider myself not just an Apple fanboy, but an Apple sheep, as some people call it. iSheep. I've seen people use it, so... I use blurry badges. Yeah, I do, too. What's movable 9? Basically, movable 9 will allow you to move, like, your Wi-Fi signal thing somewhere in your carrier logo and stuff, I think. Where are you from? England. The UK. United Kingdom. Yeah, I have Badgemizer. You can see it in the photo from Twitter. Works fine for me. Okay, so, yeah. Alex, this person has Badgemizer, and he says it works, so... Yeah. Add a tweak, a respring option for the CC on iPhone 10. Weren't you the guy who actually asked me that in the comments, like, 3 or 4 times? I am looking for... Oh, no, right, sorry, sorry, I'm wrong person, I'm tired, yeah. But yeah, you can add it by getting a tweak called Easy Respring or something. Easy Respring, something like that. Damn, I don't know if it's safe to install Badgemizer. Well, most people are saying it works. So... But WWDC is only for developers, though. It is, but also, like, YouTubers get invited to it and stuff. So you can go if you're, like, a YouTube creator, I guess. As press. You can just say you're press and you can go. I hid most of the stuff in the status bar except time and better %. Cool. I'm Arabic, but I live on Manchester. Oh, cool. I don't live too far from Manchester. I live like half an hour away. Tweak to import songs to YouTube, songs to iPhone Music Library. I'm looking for a tweak like that you can install music from iTunes and stuff. Not iTunes. Like, without iTunes, basically. Thanks. You're welcome. How can I create a free logo banner for my YouTube channel? If you have Photoshop, you could use that. Well, I'm not really sure how to get like a proper free, good free one. I would recommend a YouTube network I'm part of, which is called Talency. They do like YouTube channel banners and stuff included with the price that you pay every month. So you pay $7 a month and you get a bunch of different benefits. It's like the best. Instead of joining a multi-channel network, you might as well join Talency because it is also cheaper in the end if you do start making money on YouTube. So I'm part of them. It's cool. Boot loop, more like respring loop. Inkscape is free. Okay, cool. How do I join that? Carl, just Google it maybe. Okay, what time is it? Alright, we've got 3 more minutes and then I'm going because I'm tired and I need to get up at 6 tomorrow, so... Actually, what day is it? Okay, yeah, so I'll be live again on Friday, guys. Friday at 7 p.m. UK time. We will move the stream to later, but yeah. Alex, just don't change the delete X shape. No. Hello, Mr. Tiger Fluffface. Are you tired? Yes, I am. I've been up since 6 in the morning. Even though I did go back to sleep, though, after 6. Around 7. I'm gonna donate. Please, Alex, don't. You have to donate $100 if you want me to stay up till midnight now. I'm that tired. I could barely even think now. It's been a long day. Good night. Do it, Alex. Okay, hold on. He's gonna go check his bank account again. And then he's gonna donate $1,000 and then I'll have to stay up till 5 in the morning or something. Oh boy, you're about to do it. Please don't donate. If you donate $2, I will not stay up till whatever you want me to do. Stay up to. I will stay up till 12 if you donate $10 at least. Okay? $10. 10 USD. I have a feeling I'm gonna break the tripod. I can't wait. You have, wait, where are the seconds here? Where are the seconds? Let's see. You have 15 seconds, Alex. My iPod got boot looped. Oh, okay. I was about to say, like, oh no. Alex is probably checking his bank account right now. He's like, when will the setup video be released? What on earth? I just realized I have Bounce Notify installed on my iPhone 5 and the thing just bounced up. When will the setup video be released? I'm gonna do it when I fix my phone's camera lens because I want to also show like the back of it and stuff, and having the camera lens broken isn't really a good idea. So, yeah, I'll probably go to the Apple Store tomorrow or the day after that, get the camera lens repaired, and then do the video. Don't release it until I submit my setup. Oh wait, which setup video do you mean? You mean the like the jailbreak setup competition thing, or the actual? Actually, guys, I have a giveaway coming soon. I received the items the item to give away yesterday, or the day before or something. Good night, everybody, and BenObi. See you later, Fortnite. Then, good night. Alex, I think your time's up. Competition. Oh, the competition. I'll try to do it this week. I can't promise anything. I'm still looking for more tweaks. I've got Noctis 11 already to give away. Laughing Qual is giving me a free copy. If you guys want me to give away Touch Bar 2, that's another tweak. Alex just donated $10. Oh, I've got to stay up another half an hour. Okay. Thanks. But this is the last thing. I'm not gonna go over that because I need to sleep. I can't sleep 6 hours and then get up tomorrow morning. But yeah, I'm gonna do the setup video soon. So. Oh, your comment is now pinned. I just realized you could pin it. Multiplayer 2 times 30 more minutes. What do you mean? Get haystacks as a tweak and give it away, lol. Do you guys really want that? I can. I'm good friends. I'm kind of like good friends with Laughing Qual now. He actually reached out to me. He was like, I like your videos, and then he wanted to do a deal so I can make a full video on Noctis. So I was like, you give me free access to your tweaks, and then I'll feature Noctis in the video. And I did, because he gave it to me for free. And now I get all of his tweaks for free, so that's awesome. Multipiler. What? Oh, right. It'll be $20 for an extra 20 minutes. Yes! For an extra 30 minutes. But I don't think I'm going to go over another 30 minutes. I can't. I need sleep. Guys, if I were to stream in, what, 8 hours, would most of you be awake? Like, in 8 hours, would most of you guys be awake? Because I could do it when I get back from my church thing tomorrow morning. So, just installed AppCake on iOS 11. It works. And the jerks stole, like, 3 of my tweaks from my non-kosher cheat freemium app hacking repo. What do you mean they stole 3 of your tweaks? Haystacks gives you iOS 10 controller. Oh, right. I didn't read that. Sorry, Carl. Yeah, it gives you the iOS 10 control center on iOS 11. I really paranoid. My setup isn't that good. I will be asleep. Oh, okay. It's so good. Though I shared them publicly. Oh, okay. Don't hack. Yeah, don't hack. Well, no, actually do hack, because jailbreaking is technically considered hacking by a lot of people. It's also considered illegal for some reason, even though you just Google, is jailbreaking illegal? And it says no. I think mine's pretty good. Yeah, I'll do a video soon. I'm not gonna. I first need to like do an announcement, because not all of you guys, not a lot of my subscribers know that I'm doing this competition giveaway thing. So I'll maybe be sleeping. Okay. So yeah, probably not the best thing to do. So if I do these live streams at this time, would you guys watch them? But jailbreaking is legal. The things you do with it is illegal. Yes, like if you buy, if you